Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix a load library error with error code 126. So here, in order to fix that, you need to download a DirectX end user runtime web installer. It's only up to 300 kilobyte and it is free. This is the DirectX. After you download, you can try to run it. Try to install it on your PC. So you can access this on Microsoft.com. This is the DirectX end user runtime web installer. Contain a DirectX 9, DirectX 10, DirectX 11, X audio, 2.7, X input, X ACT, or manage DirectX 1.1. So note, this package does not modify the DirectX runtime installed on your Windows OS operating system in any way. So after you download and install this, do not reset yet. You can download another Visual C. This is Visual C redistributable packages. So here, this is the older version. Let's try to find the newer one. And here we go. In a learn Microsoft.com Microsoft Learn Challenge, you can find Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable latest supported downloads. Here, the latest version is 14. Blah blah blah. So you can use these following links to download this version for each supported architecture. So if you use Windows 11, you can just download this one, only this one. So here, promo link for latest support x64 version. This package makes it easy to install required Visual C++ ARM64 binaries when the x64 redistributable install on ARM64 device. So try to download and install this, and then restart your PC and try to open or install your games or software. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Subscribe this button below. See you in the next video.